I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegan spinach artichoke dip. This plant-based version is incredibly creamy and flavorful, proving that you don't need dairy to enjoy this classic appetizer. We'll use simple, wholesome ingredients to create a healthier alternative that's perfect for any gathering. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this easy-to-make, crowd-pleasing dish that comes together in under 30 minutes. To create our amazing vegan dip, we'll start with some key plant-based ingredients. You'll need one 10-ounce bag of fresh spinach, finely chopped, and one 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts, thoroughly drained. For that essential cheesy flavor, we'll incorporate nutritional yeast. And to achieve that wonderfully rich and creamy texture, we'll be using soaked cashews as our base. These simple components come together beautifully. Making this dip is surprisingly straightforward. First, sauté your fresh spinach until it's perfectly wilted, then be sure to squeeze out all the excess water. Next, blend your soaked cashews with a bit of plant milk, garlic, and your favorite seasonings until you achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. Finally, combine this rich cashew mixture with your prepared spinach and artichoke hearts. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until it's bubbly and golden. Once your delicious vegan spinach artichoke dip is ready, it's time to enjoy. Serve it warm with an array of dippers like crispy crackers, soft pita bread, or fresh vegetable sticks. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. This dip is also fantastic for meal prep. You can make it ahead and gently reheat it. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.